The development of unmanned combat vehicles, although relatively low-key compared to drones, has achieved fewer results. However, in recent years, due to the advancement of intelligent technology, several models have emerged, such as the Ripsaw M5 unmanned combat vehicle, which debuted at the 2019 AUSA trade show in the United States. The M5 unmanned combat vehicle is part of the U.S. Army's Robot Combat Vehicle (RCV) program, which has not yet reached the stage of practical application. The main goal is to explore how to integrate unmanned combat vehicles into ground combat operations, replacing manned vehicles or soldiers to perform certain tasks. The M5 is one of the equipment series designed by the Ripsaw team, which includes well-established companies such as the US-based Howe and Howe Technologies. The M5 proposed by the team is not a single model, but includes 3 types: light, medium, and heavy. However, their weight classification is not based on the standard weight of conventional tanks. The specific data available includes the medium and light models. The medium combat vehicle weighs 10.5 tons, with a length of 5.9 meters, width of 2.7 meters, and height of 1.5 meters, while the light combat vehicle weighs 7.5 tons, with a length of 4.7 meters, width of 2.4 meters, and height of 1.5 meters. The combat vehicle is a fully electric vehicle, and the high-power electric motor allows the unmanned combat vehicle to reach a maximum speed of 60 miles per hour, approximately 96 kilometers per hour. The major feature of the running components is the use of rubber tracks, which effectively reduce the operational noise. The designers have used a modular design, and the wide and flat vehicle body can be equipped with the necessary components based on different missions. The medium combat vehicle has a payload capacity of 8,000 pounds, while the light combat vehicle has a payload capacity of 300 pounds. The weapons that can be installed in the rotating turret include a 30mm cannon, light heavy machine guns, anti-tank missiles, and a 40mm grenade launcher. The firepower output capability is comparable to that of a conventional armored vehicle, and there are reports that it can also be equipped with mine-clearing equipment. The combat system of the M5 is also equipped with daytime cameras, thermal imagers, laser rangefinders, and other equipment. The intelligence system has strong data processing capabilities, and the combat vehicle can operate in environments such as rain, fog, and night. As an unmanned combat vehicle, the M5 is operated through wireless remote control, and it can also autonomously travel along pre-programmed routes. Although the M5 itself is an unmanned combat vehicle, it can also carry a quadcopter drone for reconnaissance, calibration, etc. Inside the vehicle, there is also another small unmanned vehicle that can be used for explosive ordnance disposal, among other tasks. The vehicle provides basic armored protection, with the base armor capable of withstanding attacks from 12.7mm bullets. The design team provides additional armor kits to address the use of the vehicle in areas with heavy firepower. In practical use, unmanned combat vehicles can replace manned vehicles or personnel to perform many tasks, most importantly, without the need to consider casualties. Therefore, they can confidently enter special areas such as deserts, or work in conjunction with tanks in combat, playing a supporting role. They can also be used for daily border patrols, surveillance, and more. According to last year's contract plan, the manufacturer Howe and Howe Technologies will provide the U.S. military with 4 M5 prototype vehicles for testing. As a new type of weapon equipment, the integration of the Ripsaw M5 unmanned combat vehicle into the existing combat system still has a long way to go. Apart from needing extensive testing and improvement to achieve mature technology, it also needs to establish specialized combat units, which involves issues such as force structure. Different units, such as armored divisions and infantry divisions, will need to determine the appropriate number of unmanned combat vehicles to be equipped with. Even if they begin to be deployed, the units will need extensive training exercises to achieve the required level of coordination for combat operations. Therefore, in my opinion, the M5 unmanned combat vehicle still has a long way to go before it can truly become combat ready.